Welcome back everybody. So guys, here I'm going to talk about the different paths and different directories, actually in detail about the links. Okay, cool. Now there we have the index.html and there we have the about.html, but what if we have a new folder? Okay, come on. Oh sorry, I got the place to write the folder name, and the folder name I'm deciding as the sub directory. Okay, cool. This is a folder name. Now I'm going to make a new file, and I'm saving the file with the name of sub.html and line break it. Okay, I got it there, sub.html, and I'm just putting something like we can make a complete HTML structure if necessary, otherwise we can ignore that. This is not necessary, but I just made it because I liked it. Well, whatever. Here I'm just typing something like hello, this is the page which is in the sub directory. Okay, cool, I liked it. Now the problem is, now we are in the page of HTML. Okay, this page, this sub.html page, is inside the subdirectory. I think the spelling, the every word of the spelling, every character of the spelling should be small, like sub is small now. But the problem is how to access inside the page, in the page which is how to access to this page which is inside the subdirectory from the index.html or the about.html. Very simple. Go down, make another p if you want, and here I'm just making the a tag, and I'm just typing here, click here, and the link sub.html, but this won't be the complete thing. First of all, we have to access to the sibling. What is the sibling of these pages? The sibling is the subdirectory, which is a folder. So subdirectory, okay, and then going inside the subdirectory, and then the sub.html. This is the backslash, which is really important, and this actually clears that now we need to go inside the subdirectory, then slash, then sub.html file name to go to the sub page, whatever. Save it. Now we can go to the browser to check if it's working fine. Refresh the page. Okay, click here to go to the sub page. If I just click there, just notice this is the HTML folder and then the HTML index.html. When I just click there, now HTML folder, then subdirectory, then the sub.html. Okay, cool. How to get back? I know we can use the back button of the browser, but I'm just talking about how we can go back through the script. So I'm just going there, and I'm just inside the sub.html, and there I'm just making a link and the a tag, and here I'm just typing click here to go to the main home page. But the problem is, first of all, we need to go to the index.html. okay, awesome, but the problem is first what we did here in index.html, or if we do with the about.html, first we get access to the sibling. Once we got it there, we just went inside. We just call this sub.html, but now we are on the sub.html and there is no sibling it has. So we naturally want to go back. So if we are just going back to the directory, we do not need to call the directory name. We need to call this thing double dots or double periods and the slash. Means first, what this means, go back. This simply means go back. And once it just go back to the subdirectory, means it was there and it just went to the subdirectory. Then around the subdirectory, search for the index.html, and yeah, it will get the index.html. now if I just refresh the page and I just click on this one, now you can see that index.html, then index.html. click there, you're inside the subdirectory. Click there, you're back on it. Now I'm making another folder inside this. Okay, I'm making sub directory, whatever. Okay, Cool. I got another one, and I'm just making a new file inside it, sub.html. Whatever I got in my mind, I just mentioned. Okay, delete all. Oh, come on. Sub.html and line break. Okay, cool. Again the HTML, again the p tag, again the a tag, and inside the a tag I'm just typing click here. Okay, now I'm inside the sub and the subdirectory. So first of all, if I just want to go to the index.html, two dots. Oh, come on, just notice what I'm doing. Now because of these two dots, I just went to the subdirectory. Now I can access to the sub.html if I just type sub.html, but I just want to go more than this one, so another, and then index.html. This is how simple it is. You can understand. As much as you want to go back, you can put these two dots and a slash. Now it will be reaching to the subdirectory, then it will be searching for the index.html. Okay, save it. And if you just want to go to that page from the index.html, then you know the same thing we need to do is do p the a and click here. And first of all, we need to go inside the subdirectory, because we are going to the forward directories. So subdirectory is not the back directory, so we have to call the name, and then this sub directory spelling must be clear, and then the file name sub.html. Refresh that. Now if I just click there, you can see that the subdirectory, then the sub and subdirectory, then sub.html, and click there, and now you'll be in a directory HTML folder, and then inside the HTML folder there is the index.html page. That means everything is going very well and very fine. It is actually working fine for us. Now I think you just understood about the back path or the front path, the back directory, subdirectory, and how we can use their paths. So in the next lecture we'll be talking about some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.